Welcome back to Locally Hosted. I'm Alex.
And I'm Sam. We cover AI, ML, and dev tools.
Today's topic, running TTS on a DGX Spark.
We ditch cloud TTS for local neural voices.
Wait, you mean zero cloud dependency?
Exactly. No remote servers, no accent drift.
So your podcast audio is 100% self-hosted.
Yes, using Microsoft VibeVoice on our GB10.
121 GB unified memory handling the load?
That's right. It's fast, free, and local.
Was the integration process straightforward?
Not at all. We hit some real snags.
Like what, smart quotes breaking the model?
Yes, it's became it without this.
That's annoying. Did you fix the glitches?
We switched to whole script generation.
One continuous pass for consistent voice?
Exactly. No more drift between sentences.
So the audio sounds like a real conversation?
Yes, like we're actually talking together.
That's a huge leap for technical independence.
We control our compute, models, and voices.
No more random Spanish accents on tech terms.
True, we were free before. Now, self-hosted.
This changes how we think about AI tools.
It proves local inference is viable now.
Subscribe to Locally Hosted for more deep dives.
Original source is linked in the description.
Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.
Keep building locally. Bye, everyone.